I thought coding an app would be the hardest part, but the things I faced later, I was so wrong. I was so wrong. And I will show you exactly what happened. I spent weeks of coding, designing, building the application entirely by myself, adding the sign up, adding the login buttons, security rules, databases, connecting everything together, like thinking of an edge cases. And I was okay, it's ready to be launched. Then reality hit me hard, and this is the first thing that happened. So after I thought I was ready to launch, okay, I just need to set up the payment. Okay, I Google which provider is the best, and I found, okay, Stripe, perfect. External payments, just click the button, everything is handled by the Stripe. Yeah, of course, I set up everything, I set up the test account on the Stripe, integrated everything, and when I wanted to try it, boom. You need a company for it. And where is the company? I have zero money to start a company. Like, what? How I can do it? And then I found the alternative solution, like in the way I figured it out in a couple of days, and I found the alternative solution. So if you want to know the alternative solution, the video will be attached in the comments. So after I got away with the Stripe, I was so hyped, like, let's go, nothing can stop me. I tested the payment, it worked, perfect. Then second thing happened. I applied my application to a review for Google storage, and first review, couple of external scripts were used in my application, and I had to rewrite code to not use that external script inside my extension. I had to rewrite almost like core functions for the sign up, login, and that kind of stuff for the database, everything. Okay, I was thinking, okay, they had a process, I had to do that, and I pushed that version that I fixed like in a 2 days. I waited 2 days for a response from Google. Then another reality strike out. What happened? They told me like nothing is working inside my application. Like, what? I tested everything locally. I tried it on my local machine in the developer mode, like added the extension there, login, sign up, AI analysis, everything was working. But on the production, they said no. And I was investigating entirely what happened. I was about to quit. Like this is such a and I came up with and I see the solution was obvious, because when you're publishing your extension to the store, you got the extension key, and you export that key in the manifest file, and you got the ID. And for ID that I was using on the local was generated locally, and I had to replace that key with the key that I get from the storage, and add that key to all my security rules across the APIs that I was calling and everything. And I fixed that, pushed, everything was fine, pushed there, and they finally approved in 2 days after that, they approved the application. After I got approved, almost same feeling, like I was pumped up, I was hyped, like let's do it. And I didn't want to push it to the store unless I tested like really on the production. And I sent my extension to my friends and to people that really can use it and test it. And then real hell begins. 5 times user clicked on the button, it breaks, caching didn't work, AI was hallucinating, the thumbnail that I inject inside the HTML broke, the border messes, like all the possible edge case. I thought like there's nothing else that could happened. I fixed version, deployed, I think, but I'm not. And again, like I spent like 2 weeks of fixing the, small bugs and small issues. A lot of people from the beginning, if they know what's gonna happen and what they gonna reach and what they gonna needs to struggle with, I think they will give up. They would give up in the start. But I can't imagine what's gonna happen and what is waiting for me after I publish this application to the store. Like, just I'm one click away to publishing it to the store, but I'm so scared to push it because I don't know what's gonna happen next, because then I'm not sure I'm ready for it. And those were the 3 things that I struggled with most. But coding is nothing. Like maybe 40-50% of the job. Like other 50% is hell. Like unexpected situation, production, releases, deploy, use cases, user is testing it, user bugs, like that almost killed me. If you ever struggled with launching your app, please leave a comment below. I want to hear your story and I want to know that I'm not alone in this process. And if you want to know how I fix the payments, deployment and bugs, subscribe and I will cover that next. See you. Bye bye.